Hi, welcome to my channel VG CBSE Academy. I'm Giricha. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment and share it with your friends. If you need one-on-one sessions, please mail me to vgirija45@gmail.com or contact me in the number 9535609928. Do not forget. Till now, we have learned about how to write the writing skills in my 15 videos. From today onwards, we are going to learn certain grammar structures and the rules of it, how to use it. This will be very useful for you when you are going to write or attempt any competitive examination. In this video of the grammar, first we are going to deal with the articles and the determiners. What are determiners? The words which are used before nouns to fix or define the noun in some way or the other are called determiners. In this, articles. Articles are the words that identify a noun as being specific or unspecific. Basically, an article is an adjective. They are demonstrative adjectives. They are used before nouns and are called as the determiners. How many types of articles are there? There are two types of articles. One, the definite article. Two, the indefinite article. A and an are indefinite articles. The is called as a definite article. Let's learn in detail the uses of the articles. Article A is used before the words beginning with consonant and consonant sound, and also vowels with consonant sound. Consonants with consonant sound, it means like a boy, a cat, a pencil, a BA, a ear. So B, C, P, Y. All these are the consonant sounds. Vowels with consonant sound, that is Y sound. Also you use a unit, a university, a European, a Eve, a useful thing. Words beginning with W sound, a 1 rupee coin, a one-legged man, like etc. Article an is used before words beginning with vowel sounds. Vowel with vowel sounds. An apple, an eye, an umbrella, an army, an inkpot, an Australian, an Indian. Consonants with vowel sounds, an MA, an SDO, an Xmas. Here, MA. M is the consonant but sounds as a vowel sound. SDO sounds as a vowel sound. Xmas sounds as a vowel sound. Before the words beginning with a silent H, an R, one R, an air, an honored, an honest man, an I. Note, only countable singular nouns take a or an. The is used when we wish to particularize a noun. The sun, the camel, the Bible, the Himalayas, etc. Anything in a particular that you have to mention it, then you are using the article the. Let's see the uses of indefinite articles, that is a or an is used in the numerical sense, that is when you are talking about a dozen, an ulcer, like in the Proverbs, a stitch in time saves 9. When you are talking about the sense of the same, like birds of a feather flock together. In the sense of certain, that is, an old man had 7 sons. Here, old man is very particular where you were talking about him. A man came and knocked at the door. Here you mean to say a particular man. So in that sense of a certain things, you are using the indefinite articles. In the sense of every, that is, rice costs 80 rupees a kilo, that is per kilo, for 1 kilo. When you are mentioning in that of every, here you are using the article a. In the sense of some, any, or a single, that is, I have a great regard for her. In general sense, to represent the whole class, that is, for all the cows together, where you are using it, for the whole class of the cow, you say a cow is a useful animal. You should specifically look here. A cow is a useful animal. Okay, useful. U is a vowel, but still it sounds in the consonant. So you are using it as a. Only an infantryman knows what war is. Before a proper noun, to make it a common noun, he is a Shylock in his dealings. Likewise, he is a Shakespeare of our class, means a person who writes the poetry in a beautiful man in comparison with that particular person to the Shakespeare. We use it as a particular way as a common noun, a Shylock or a Shakespeare. Before a proper noun, to imply that a person is a stranger to the speaker. A Miss Maya drank an hour ago. A miss, here this represents you do not know this Maya. And here an hour, this H is silent and you take O here, R. So here you are using an. In the exclamation before a singular countable noun, that is, what a beautiful flower, a beautiful. In certain phrases, as a rule, I wish to say, or on an average, it costs around 20 rupees. The severe pain, a severe pain. Let me make an effort to modify the things. Do not make a mistake. Certain instructions when you're giving or in such kind of a phrases, we use a and an. With most, when superlative is used in the sense of very or very much, this is a most fantastic story. You do not call here as this is the most fantastic story. Why? Because you are using it in a very particular way to make it, it is very much. At that cases, you use this is a most fantastic story. Let's see the uses of the, that is the definite article. The is used in various contexts. When we speak of the things which are only ones of their kind, that is very unique, the sun, the moon, the sea, the sky, where it cannot be repeated, and they are very unique. And before a particular noun, meet the man in the white dress. So you are going to meet a person who is wearing a particularly the white dress. So before that, you are using the man, the white dress. Before a noun already mentioned, that is, she bought a car, the car is majestic. When you're talking about the same car here, for example, I can say, I saw a dog, the dog is lying on the middle of the road. So you're talking very particularly about the same dog. First time when you're talking, you're using a, and second time when you're telling, you are mentioning about the same dog and the same road. So you are using the article, definite article, the here. Before a well-known books like Gita, do you read the Gita every day, like the Bible, Gita, Mahabharata, Quran? Before these things, you use the. And before the newspapers and magazines, as you all know, I read the Hindu. When you're writing a letter to the editor, where I have mentioned in my previous videos very particularly, when you're writing the address, you have to mention the Indian Express, the editor, the Hindu. So like that, here, before the newspapers and magazines, you are using article, the definite article, the here. Before the musical instruments, he plays the veena, he plays the jaws very well. Before an adjective in the superlative degree, you know the superlative degree, right? So the longest day has the shortest night. So longest and shortest is the superlative degree. Before that, you are using the here. As an adverb with comparatives, that is, the more you earn, the less you spend. The more effort you put, the more success you achieve. So in such kind of adverbs of the comparatives, you are using the. Before the famous buildings, the Taj Mahal is at Agra. The monuments, the famous, the unique things, you are using the article. Before some countries, provinces, and organization, the USA, the UNO, likewise. Before a proper adjective, when the word nation or people is understood. For example, the English often fought the French. Right? Understood? Before the adjective to indicate an abstract idea. He is a lover of the good. Likewise, the pure and the beautiful. He is a lover of the good, the pure, and the beautiful. Here it means to say the adjective as an abstract idea of goodness, purity, and beauty. Before names of rivers, seas, bays, etc. Likewise, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Bay of Bengal, you use the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Arabian, the likewise. So let's see the position of the articles, how and where it is placed. In this, you have certain rules and exceptions. In the rule 1, we would like to see an article comes before a noun. That is, a girl, a woman, an umbrella, the cow, the Taj. In the rule 2, you can see it also comes before an adjective in case the noun is qualified by an adjective. That is, a blue ink pot. Ink pot is a noun. Blue is the adjective here. So there you are using a blue ink pot, a faithful animal, the dense forest, an ominous bird. So before the noun as well as before an adjective which speaks about the noun. There is an exception to rule 2. The article is placed before an adverb if it is before an adjective. This is a very good concept. He gave me a quite different version. So before an adverb also it is placed. All, both are used before the. All the boys sat in a row. Both the boys are very good in speaking skills. The third rule is that, so, and, how, and to take adjectives followed by a or an plus noun. This is too difficult a problem. He is so important a man as he thinks. So I think you have understood how you have to use the article. In exclamation also we use what, a or an plus noun. What an idea, what a beautiful flower. Such is followed by a or an. She is such a nice girl. Let's see the omission of the articles. You have seen the positions. Let's see the omission of the articles. Articles should not be used before the proper noun, abstract noun, material noun, and common noun. It should not be used before the names of the meals. That is, he invited me to breakfast. You cannot use it as he invited me to a breakfast. No article is used before a singular countable noun when it is used as a nominative of address. Means, example, come here, girl. You cannot say, come here, a girl. Right? When countable come in pairs, also we are not going to use the articles. They are brother and sister. You cannot call them as they are a brother and a sister. You have to use it only they are brother and sister, because brother and sister, they're coming in pairs. So you cannot use the article there. You cannot use the articles where the nouns such as school, college, church, hospital, bed, when their primary purpose is referred. That is, he is still in bed. You cannot say he is still in the bed. Sony goes to school every day. You cannot say Sony goes to the school every day. When you are mentioning about the school, particularly there, you can use it the. But here, when it is used as a primary purpose, you cannot use the article. I hope you have understood the articles and the determiners very clearly. Thank you. If you like this video, please comment. If you need one-on-one sessions, please mail me to vgirija45@gmail.com or contact me at 9535609928. These articles are used for many purposes like error corrections or omission of the articles or positions where you have to find out. Many competitive examinations, you can find this kind of articles. So please go through. If you need, you can put your suggestions or in the comments that if you need any exercises, please mail it or please put your comments in that so that I can give you some exercises and give you the scores, how you have done it. Thank you. And please like, subscribe. Thank you.